Dun dun dun. The price of Bone and Leash is down. You're looking at it and you're staring at it right now in shibaswap or CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or somewhere else, and you see Bone $1.45, and then you see Leash is down $893. These are way off the all-time high prices, and we see a spiked up in Shiba a couple of days ago, but then that's coming down as well. If I go look at Bone, it's true, $1.46, and then 𝐿 Killer, which is Leash, $895. Let's talk about it, and I'll give you one reason why the price is low for both of these assets right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, let's go ahead and dive into this. Now look. You don't want to forget about this here. Even though Bone is down, but you see this chart here? You see this chart? This right here is going to be something that I look at. I would say, I actually got it printed up on my wall because it reminds me, even when the price is down, we're right here. So we're still, Bone per block is still happening. But eventually, this is gonna come down. And so we only have a window of opportunity to really own Bone. And then once that's done, probably after January or February, you may start seeing some gains. Not necessarily giving you that financial advice at all, but I'm just looking at the chart here and let me know that this is the opportunity really to gain a lot of Bone. And it's $1.46. Oh my God. But you're probably wondering, why is it down? Why is Leash down? Well, one thing is there's just no volume. There's no volume. So if I go here and I look at the volume levels, the 24-hour volume, they're at the bottom here on this top 10 list. Look at this. I even scroll in. The volume is low. But look at the volume of Shiba. Shiba actually doubles. After Ethereum is obviously doing its thing. But 𝐿 Killer and Bone is got low volume. Why? I think because people are selling out of it. People are swapping out of it. They're kind of abandoning Bone right now. That's what I feel like it is. Because you can actually look at some of the history, transaction history. A lot of this stuff is leaving Bone. And so the volume is just not there. It's the lowest it's been ever since this been actually created. Obviously, Bone was created back in July, so not that long ago. But that lets me know that when things are low like this, you got to ask yourself a question. What is the best way of really earning gains or getting gains or profit when things are low? It's hard to gain gains when things are like this. When the volume levels is this number here, it's hard to get those type of gains. So you got to ask yourself, when everyone is selling out of it, swapping out of it, talking bad about it, trying to abandon it, there's always going to be some outliers of sitting there like, we'll stand and wait until there's a sunny day, a sunny day. Because it's a little dark at Bone Land. Bone Land and Leash Land is pretty dark right now. It's because it just doesn't have the volume. The liquidity's still there. The liquidity's still working in there. But if I go to Leash right now, it's low too. Look at Leash. You see that little number there? It's the lowest it's been. It's the lowest it's been. Let me go look at all and make sure. Yeah, it's the lowest it's been. This is probably, dang, I'm not telling you not to buy it. This is probably the best opportunity to get Bone and Leash because they're so low right now. It could go lower, obviously. I would say this is one of the best opportunity to really look into Leash and Bone. It's one of the best opportunities because it could drop even lower. But honestly, I'm considering getting more because I haven't seen anything this low since. I haven't seen anything this low. I just haven't seen anything this low in terms of Leash and Bone. So that's why the liquidity is still there, but the volume is just not there. But then again, I always go back to this chart here saying, you know what? We're probably about here. So we're still earning Bone, digging and wolfing, and also just buying Bone, swapping for Bone. And the rewards will be there. The rewards will happen in your back office. They're a little bit behind, but it will happen. It will happen. So definitely we're just going to have to be patient by it. But just don't forget the fact that just a month ago, Just a month ago. We have amnesia about this. Just a month ago. If I go back at least a bone, it was rare. The volume was that number. Just a month ago. Literally, say, you see that July 20th, 2021? And then if I flash back, August 18th. Just a month ago. Things can go high, things can go low. But how you get those profits, those gains, when things are dark and scary? And I don't want to go inside that room. It's dark. It's a little cloudy. But if you're a warrior, if you're a person that, you know what, I'm going to look in this opportunity and make a decision by it, then you can kind of walk out that room smiling very much. So the volume is not there. That's one reason why it's down. And just there's not a lot of money flowing into it in terms of the volume. And there's other reasons as well, but that's one of the main reasons that I see. One of the reasons. There's other reasons as well. That's what I see just by looking at a chart and looking at the graph as well. So it tells me it's time to go shopping, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. So do your research, watch this video a few times, just think about it. Before I let you go here, think about the graph. They even told you this, what they're gonna do. They basically are going to start making decisions as we go forward. And eventually we're gonna be down here. And it's not gonna be a whole lot of bone to be given out. And what's gonna happen, the demand's gonna make a decision. Let me just say that. It's gonna make a decision. Right now, it's not the time. The time is to make a decision, but then soon, this chart, Bone itself and Leash and even Shiba will be making a decision. You just gotta just see what happens and just be tough, be strong. And I understand, but I'm just going by what happens. And I really believe things will work out at the end. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm just here to share strategies and ideas and some inspiration and really try to give you a different look at it. Never telling you what to do, just getting you to think about it. Like, okay, it's $1.46. It's the lowest it's been. And just a month ago, it was $70. So, I mean, if I'm able to kind of wait through the cloudy skies, I can have something really special. But I have to do my research and I gotta have that faith. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for my next video and I can't wait to see you again. See you.